quick video on a manipulative token board. There's a lot of videos out there on token boards. There's a million different ways to make them. But because of our current situation, I know some parents might need to get creative on how they could make these at home. So this is one of the most basic token boards you can make. Here's a few different examples. And it's just got pieces that come on and off. So you would start out with 0, and then as your child or your student is earning tokens, you just place on a token. Or if you want to teach them to do it themselves, you can let them know, token on. And you can decide how you want to use these. It might be your student or your child earns a token for every 5 minutes that they are on task, or for every math problem they complete. Now, if this I just made with my personal laminator here at home with stickers and cardstock, but if you don't have that, you can easily just transfer this to a piece of paper. So I just wrote at the top, I am working for, and I drew a little picture of an iPad, and this one would have 5 tokens. So you can just write a star or check mark in each box as they earn tokens, or you could even place a coin there if you want it to be more manipulative. And another way I've made a manipulative token board is with coins, so that way you can also tie in the concept of learning to count money. You can do it with 5 pennies. You can expand it so that they have to earn their 5 pennies, turn it in for a nickel. Then when they get their 2 nickels, they have to turn it in for a dime. And then you can also transfer that onto paper. Just draw however many boxes you need and just place the actual coins in the boxes. So just a quick little video to show you how you might make some behavior and incentive systems at home. Bye for now.